Hello students, we are going to look at PEE technique of analysis, and I have selected the short story Bholi for explanation. Let us first go and see what is PEE technique. PEE technique is to to point out, to cite an evidence, and to explain. Let us see one example and let us then get back. Now let us analyze the PEE paragraphs. The aim over here is to understand how this structure helps us in analyzing and expressing ourselves. For example, the starter put this PEE into order. For example, the sentences are not in order. We need to put it in order. Now PEE stands for pointing out, citing an evidence, and explanation. And over here the sentences are given in a mixed order. We need to understand which sentence is pointing out, which sentence is citing an evidence, and which sentence is an explanation. The red sauce trickled down from his lips down and over his chin onto his black jacket. This shows that he eats in a disgusting way and gets food all over himself. It could be because he is in a rush to get food, as he hasn't eaten for a long time, and perhaps he is not used to other people watching him. Skilling has no table manners and is a disgusting person, most probably. Okay, now let us look at our question, that is, how did education change Bholi's personality? We have fairly understood what is PEE technique, that is to point out a quality, then cite an evidence from the textbook, and then explain that quality with the help of the textual reference. Now, as per the requirement of the CBSE, we begin with name of the writer, K.A. Abbas. In his short story Bholi, we need to mention the title, then we write one strong verb rather. So we say K.A. Abbas in his short story Bholi depicts the transformation of Bholi from a young, innocent, timid girl to an empowered woman of substance. Now this is my opening sentence. The very first reference that I have pointed out, this is my opening sentence that I have just read. Now after that I need to apply my PEE technique. Now according to the PEE technique, I need to point out a quality. So now I have Bholi received inspiration and encouragement at school from her teacher. Now inspiration and encouragement most probably she received from school. So now it is not Bholi's quality, it is what she received initially. So now this is my pointer, that she received encouragement and inspiration. So that pointer I need to explain with the help of my textual reference. Now I have selected one line from the text. This is the line that I had selected. Bholi felt as if she suddenly heard the bells in the village temple were ringing, and the trees in front of the schoolhouse has blossomed into big red flowers. Her heart was throbbing with a new hope for a new life. Now this textual reference, I am going to weave it into a sentence where citations are used. She felt as if all the bells in the village temple were ringing. And then comes my own sentence, my own expression. And she also felt that, and then I cite something in single quotes, the trees in front of the schoolhouse had blossomed into big red flowers. This is my citation sentence or my evidence. The third is the explanation. I begin with it shows that. Until and unless you use this sentence frame, your expression does not say that you are actually expressing or explanation. It shows that at school the seed of transformation was sowed by the teacher, which later developed into a strong, sturdy personality. You can stop with this also, but if you have allowance or word limit, then you can go on to explain. The imagery of the tree early in the story is heralding the direction of her transformation. So that is how. Now this is one PEE set that is complete, but the answer is incomplete. Now the task is that you need to explain the transformation. So I am giving the task to the students, giving this as the citation. Use this, first point out, then use the citation, interweave some selection from here, into your own sentence and then try explaining it. That will complete your PEE, and that will be the complete answer along with the given answer that I have over here. I hope this explanation is sufficient for the students to use PEE technique. Now, where is PEE technique used in the CBSE question paper? It is used in the extrapolatory question, or the question which is for longer explanation, for say for 5 marks. The 5 marks explanation questions expect the students to point out, cite evidences from the text, and then explain. This explanation or their own opinion that is added, this is somewhere that is a student's explanation, that is extrapolatory, and you may add your own opinion. In my opinion, I strongly feel, I believe, this expression will add to your extrapolatory reference. Now this is one set of PEE. Students need to add one more set to complete this answer. Let us give it a try ourselves to see if we can complete it together. If I were to point out for example, Pitaji, take back your money, I'm not going to marry this man. I can say that Boli showed a lot of courage. So that will be my pointer, courage. She expressed to her father to take back his money, and she also advised him, she also expressed her opinion that she is not going to marry that man. It shows that Boli had transformed from an innocent cow to a strong woman of substance. Now let us see one example done by one of the students. Now in this example, this is an expression of the student where PE technique is fairly applied or not applied. Let us see and analyze, and then try rewriting this answer in our own words using the PEE technique. It begins exactly how we had begun the answer. Self-confidence, brave and wiser. We have seen the certain keywords. We can also see that citations are used. We can also see certain transitional words used in between. That is acceptable. Citations used, yes, that is acceptable. Recitations, yes, it is perfect. Citations are definitely in place. Transitional words are in place. You can also see the transitional words. You can also see the line that I had given to you. Then analyze and let me know, or try writing the part and post it under the video. I'll give you my feedback for your expressions. Try writing the entire answer on your own using the PEE technique. Thank you.